Aqueduck Faucet Extender, Sink Handle Extender, Safe by Aqueduck is one of the best sellers among baby bathroom safety products. Fits most two-handle faucets. Easy to remove for cleaning, top shelf dishwasher safe. Works right out of the box. No tools or assembly required. Simply attach to handle and watch the good habits start to form. Patented design to work only on cold side for safety and keeps the temperature just right. Comes with a full lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Made from long-lasting soft durable plastic that contains no BPA, PVC, phthalates, or any other harmful dyes. Integrates a brightly colored unique design which encourages good hygiene and promotes independence for ages 3 or older. Safety and clean, Aqueduck is a high-quality product made out of long-lasting durable plastic, which contains no BPA, PVC, or phthalates. It can easily be removed for cleaning and is dishwasher safe.